Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard theme in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the typing interface. Go to typing interface and see here. See the background of keyboard. This is the keyboard theme. Okay, black and ash color. Okay. If you would like to change to other keyboard theme, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to system here, then click on languages and input and click on screen keyboard, and here select Gboard and here select theme. Several themes are available here. You can choose any theme here. Okay, see the theme preview. Okay, after seeing the theme preview, you can choose to apply. Okay, here I have set it to green color. Click on apply and this will be the set as keyboard theme. See here, I gone to typing interface. This is the keyboard theme as of now. If you would like to choose other theme, yes, here you can download some themes. Okay, that theme is now applied. Okay, also you can set your own theme. Okay, click on this plus symbol so that you can choose any photo that can be set as keyboard theme. Okay, see here, I am going to choose my own photo. Okay, and click on next and click on done. Yes, that photo is now set as keyboard theme. Okay, click on apply. So in this way you can easily change to many theme. Okay, suppose if you would like to change back to default one, click this first option so that default theme will be applied for your keyboard. Click on apply and see the changes. So in this way you can easily set any theme for your keyboard in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.